typical Indian middle class family, what do they aspire? They aspire that their kids should do a proper education, join an organization in a job and consistently grow there. Well, my path was pretty much the same. Yes, I did good qualifications, did a job in Mumbai, but I just amended this path and I came back to Calcutta and I started with the most unconventional career you can think of, which is trading financial markets. Yes, this is one job which I always wanted to do, because I from my younger days I knew that financial market is such a beautiful platform and you can do so much in this platform if you try to find the right path for yourself. I became a trader when I came back in 2006. I started with commodities because I used to love gold, silver, I used to love crude oil. Then I adopted currency and then equity. So I finally became a multi-asset trader and created India's largest, one of the largest trading desk with more than 200 traders in India. Trading as a career. You know, Indian society has a very myopic thought process with respect to this career. What was believed that people who can't do other higher education like CA, IIT, MBA, finally they do nothing and they become a trader. Well, this thought process needed a change, and I'm very happy that we at IIM Markets, we were able to bring that change in society. Friends, trading for me is a blissful act. It gives me a different level of high in terms of my income generating capabilities and also in terms of my capability and how I'm building my capability. Friends, for me, trading is all about a hyper sports. You can clearly compare a trader, a professional successful trader, with a professional successful sports person. Professional trading is all about believing that you can also become a trader and you get into that stages of becoming a trader. When we started the trading desk in Kolkata, we are brothers who started this, and in that trading desk, one of the biggest question was that how do we prepare traders, because trading is also something which is inborn but you can build on top of that. So how do you develop traders was a big question. So we started building a training module where we used to recruit freshers and we used to train them for many months, many years. On an average, it takes around 2 years for someone to become a consistent, profitable trader. So this was our experience when we started in 2006, 2008 currency. Then we got into equity options and so on. The journey has been rewarding. I am very thankful to God that we reached where we are right now. At the same time, we thought that this knowledge, this journey should be shared with everyone. So that's why we launched Trading Mentorship Program as part of IIM Markets. IIM Markets is one of my baby which I created with my co-founders in 2013. And we have been trying to democratize financial education for the entire Indian society. People who want to learn investing, people who want to learn trading, everything is part of this IIM Markets ecosystem. So the big question is, can these mentorship programs or training programs make you a successful trader? So Trading Mentorship Program is not just a course. Please don't consider this to be a course and join this program because you will learn something. It is not just about conceptual learning. It is about experiencing what you will not experience as an individual. It is about creating that massive edge for yourself for a lifetime trading career. It is not just a matter of 1 month or 2 months of trading. It is not just about Thursday expiry trading. It's about creating that universe of opportunity for yourself to become a successful market participant.